Yo, welcome. It's DaHomie Beats. We're gonna get a new project going. You know, I had an idea. Been listening to Residente from Calle 13, and you know, just the beats that he has got me inspired to making some worldly beats. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have a project. So I got a little accordion sample right here. And I just repeat, so we're gonna sample that, we're gonna cut it up, chop it up. It already has some like reggaeton feel to it. We'll see. But thank you for watching. This is the first video. We're gonna keep on doing more, see what, you know, working towards a project, and we'll see what happens. This was interesting because I've never done anything like this, and that would be like this. So yeah, we'll see. This is fun though. Thank you guys for watching. This is DaHomie. Peace.